Big change is happening, and it comes in a paper bottle. Littleseed started with a simple idea: to create cold-pressed oils that didn't cost the earth. Grown, pressed and bottled right here in Britain, every bottle is a celebration of British regenerative farming at its best. The future of farming is in our soil, and the only way to guarantee our future is by changing agricultural practices now. We need to be able to grow food for years to come, and to do this we need to look after our most valuable asset, which is our soil. By farming regeneratively, we are not just farming sustainably today, we are actually regenerating the soil for years to come. This bottle is made from 84% paper and creates 84% less carbon than a glass bottle. We're proud to be the first in the UK to launch a paper bottle for cooking oil. It's a small bottle with big ambitions for your health, your kitchen and the planet. Littleseed, for the future of food, farming and the planet.